Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Newberg Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, June 5th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the info with you. So as I always do, start off looking at active listings. In Newberg last week, I showed that we had 12 new listings come on the market. Up from 6 the week prior, but kind of on the lower side of activity over this past 6 weeks. As you can kind of see here. Ended the week with 47 homes in total on the market, which is up about 3 from the prior week, but down from a couple weeks ago where it was at 55. The median price and days on market for the active listings, you can kind of see that that's been kind of bumping up over the past 6 weeks, started at 520. And this last week ended at 625, which was unchanged from the week prior. And then days on market's been kind of coming up as well. Had a low of 6 days 6 weeks ago, and this last week it came in at 18. So on average, things are staying on the market a little bit longer than they were over the past couple months. Looking at the pending sales. So last week I showed that we had 9 new pendings in Newberg, which you kind of see as a low over the 6 weeks here, and ended the week with 85 homes in pending status in total. And median price and days on market for those pendings. This last week, the pending price on average was $475. And that's kind of towards the lower side of where it's been over the past 6 weeks, down from 487 the week prior. And days on market, it's been straight as an arrow at 5 days of average market time for the homes that have been going pending. And then lastly, we'll look at sold listing activities. So I show, as of the time I kind of put all this together, we had 9 homes get recorded as sold last week, which has been very steady over the this whole period. Basically, it's been between 7 and 11 per week. This week came in at 9. When I look back over the prior month of activity here, I show that we had 38 homes sell in Newberg in total. Again, it's been it's been coming down from where it was 6 weeks ago. So not quite as many sales as we have had, but not a huge drop either. Median price and days on market for the solds. We had a high of 563 and actually had a low this week for the 6 week period at just over 500,000 at 503. And then days on market has been creeping up a couple days, started at 4, ended the week at 6, where it's been over the prior 3 weeks here. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. So the red bars is weeks of inventory. You can kind of see that's certainly been kind of increasing over this past 6 weeks. We started off at just under 3 weeks of inventory 6 weeks ago. We got up to just under 6 weeks 3 weeks back. And this last week came in at just under 5 weeks of inventory in Newberg. So certainly things have been kind of starting to slow down, as we've kind of been talking about here over the past few weeks. But still only 5 weeks of inventory. It's still very firmly kind of in a seller's market environment. And then the sale price as a percent list price, it still remains pretty elevated. Actually, kind of hit another little high here for the 6 weeks at 103.7%. So just under 4% above list price is on average where the things have been selling at. So yes, market has certainly slowed down. Values are, certainly continuing to hold, and prices are, still getting bid up above asking price at this point in time. So I hope this weekly update has been helpful to you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to earn your business and become your realtor for life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have and see if I could be of any help. So thank you for watching and have a great day.